Every day we waste time, money, or energy on little things. But what if a few genius hacks could change that? Today, I'll show you 5 hacks that actually work. And by the end, I bet you'll wish you knew them sooner. Let's start with something we've all faced, craving a cold drink, but the can is room temperature. Instead of settling, here's the hack. Take a paper towel, run it under water, wrap it around your can, and toss it in the freezer. In just 15 minutes, it's refreshingly cold. Why does this work? The damp towel speeds up the cooling process because water conducts heat faster than air. Basically, you're giving science a little push. Now imagine this. Guests are over, and you forgot to chill the drinks. Instead of serving warm sodas, you pull out ice-cold cans like a magician. Wouldn't that impress them? Tell me, what would you try this hack with first? Soda, juice, or maybe even a bottle of wine? Hack number 2 is for music lovers. We all love playing songs while cooking, cleaning, or just relaxing. But sometimes the speaker just isn't loud enough. Instead of buying an expensive Bluetooth speaker, here's the trick. Place your phone in a clean glass or mug. Instantly, the sound becomes louder and clearer. The curved shape of the glass naturally amplifies the sound waves, like your phone just got an upgrade for free. I've even used this when watching movies in bed. Just prop your phone in a glass on your nightstand, and boom, surround sound vibes without spending a cent.
2, 1,
What about you? Would you try this hack while cooking, chilling outdoors, or maybe even during a workout? Bananas are delicious, but let's be real, they turn brown way too fast. One day they're green, the next day they're mushy. But here's a genius fix. Wrap the stems of your bananas in foil or plastic wrap. Why does this work? Bananas release ethylene gas from the stem, and that gas speeds up ripening. By covering the stems, you're slowing down the process. The result? Bananas that stay fresh days longer. This is especially useful if you buy bananas in bulk for smoothies, snacks, or baking. Imagine not throwing out half the bunch every week. That's money saved too. So, what team are you on? Do you like bananas slightly green and firm, or do you wait until they're soft and extra sweet? Hack number 4 is all about food storage. Have you ever noticed how snacks go stale so quickly, or how freezer burn ruins leftovers? Here's the solution: a DIY vacuum seal bag. All you need is a Ziploc bag and a straw. Place your food inside, close the bag almost all the way, then insert a straw in the corner. Suck the air out, remove the straw, and seal it tight. Suddenly, you've got a homemade vacuum seal. This is perfect for meal prep, camping trips, or even saving money by buying food in bulk and storing it properly. Plus, it takes less than 30 seconds. What would you use this hack for first? Veggies, meat, or maybe snacks you don't want to share? Keys, they're small, but somehow they always cause big frustration. We've all battled with those stiff key rings, breaking nails, or pinching our fingers trying to add a new key. But here's the genius fix: a staple remover. Just slide the prongs of the remover between the coils of the key ring, and it pops open effortlessly. Slide your key on, release, and you're done. No pain, no frustration. It's such a simple trick, but once you try it, you'll never go back. Honestly, I wish I had known this years ago when I struggled with keychains in college. So be honest, how many nails have you sacrificed to a stubborn key ring before discovering this? And there you have it, 5 genius hacks that actually work. From icy cold drinks to pain-free key rings, these little tricks can save you time, money, and frustration. Which hack surprised you the most? And do you know a hack that really works? Share in the comments. I might just test it in my next video. Back-end index pointing right. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday hacks, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip that could make life easier.